Sim, what the fuck has happened to you?
Relax, girl.
Relax. I put a police officer in hospital.
Not so dangerous after all.
Get in now! Quick!
You ever heard of extradition? Well, there is none here. Freedom!
Dad, the opportunity's opened up for us. This here could put us back on top.
Fuck me, it's palatial.
Hotels, apartments, golf courses, swimming pools. We're talking over £500,000.
This could be your time, Jean.
If we're gonna do this, let's go all the way.
Venido todo ustedes. Tia Maria, it's like wine, but a little bit posher. She's hiding something from us.
I need to tell you something. You gave up everything for me.
I'm gonna do it again in a heartbeat.
I love you.
Of course you fucking do.
You know what you do with that, yeah?
It's not my first rodeo.
You've never even ridden a fucking horse.